Hi friends, my name is Achut and I'm from Isaac. So today in this class, we will learn how to print the even numbers and the odd numbers. So if the given number is even, so it will print true, or otherwise it will print false. So let us comment this. So as we know, if you want to use scanner, we have to input java.util.star. So scanner sc is equal to new scanner system.in. So I'm taking user input. Like I'm taking an user input, like I'm taking an variable as a user input, and I will use if else statements to print the even number, or otherwise it's a odd number. So if the given number, so if n mod 2 is equal to 0, then it is a even number. So else it's not a even number. So I will explain again. So we just using scanner to give the user inputs, and any number modulus 2 which gives 0. Like if we divide the user input by 2 and the remainder is 0, then it is even number. So we are printing true. Otherwise, it will be false. So it is not a even number. So let us run this program. So there is no errors. So I will give 5. So 5 is not a even number. So it would be remainder will be 1. So it will give the false as the output. We will run again and we will give 4 and press enter. It will give true because 4 is divided by 2. So when we divide 4 by 2, the remainder should be 0. So whenever the remainder is 0, then it is an even number and we are printing simply true. I hope you got it how to run the even number, like how to write a even number program. If you like this video, please like it. And if you want to share this video, please share to your friends, and uh, please subscribe my channel. And if you want more videos of mine, please ring the bell icon. Then you will get more videos of mine whenever I post on YouTube. Thank you so much, friends.